Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make TradingView faster. First, close any extra browser tabs or applications running in the background to free up your computer's memory and processing power. Next, verify your internet connection is strong and reliable. A weak signal can significantly slow down data loading. Finally, regularly clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove old data that might be hindering performance. These initial steps are crucial for a smoother experience. Now, let's dive into your chart settings. Too many indicators or complex drawing objects can really bog down your charts, so try to simplify them. Also, consider using higher timeframes when possible, as lower ones demand more data processing. Head into your chart settings and disable any animated transitions or fancy visual effects. These often consume valuable resources without adding much practical value. To further boost speed, make sure your web browser is always updated to its newest version. Developers constantly release performance improvements. You might even try a more lightweight browser, like Brave or Edge, dedicated solely to TradingView. Don't forget to keep your operating system and graphics drivers up to date as well. These system-level optimizations can make a noticeable difference in how quickly TradingView responds. For the best possible speed, consider using TradingView's dedicated desktop application, which often runs more efficiently than the browser version. If you're still experiencing significant lag, it might be time to think about upgrading your computer's RAM or processor. More powerful hardware can handle complex charting with ease. Also, for those who love to learn and read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.